everybody! Today's recipe is 소고기 찹쌀구이, pan-cooked beef salad. Salad sounds like a kind of easy and refreshing dish. That's right, but lots of protein. We use beef. When I lived in Korea from one of my best friends, she just said that this is like a perfect dish for if you have a guest suddenly coming over your house and then you make this kind of things, they will be impressed. So I want to impress you. You make this today. Let's get started. First, we're gonna make sauce. 겨자 마늘장, which is mustard garlic sauce. This is 겨자분. It's mustard seed powder. And inside very yellow, pretty. 1 tablespoon. This is hot water. Same amount, 1 tablespoon. So when this is mixed with warm water, the spiciness is coming up. And then, so still some hot water here. I'll just put it here. If you can't find this mustard powder, just use yellow mustard, around 2 or 3 tablespoons. That's good, because the color is bright yellow, really pretty, and a little bit kind of spiciness. That's perfect. But I want to show you a real traditional way. We gotta make sweet, sour, and little salty. 4 garlic cloves and white vinegar, 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. 2 teaspoons salt. 1 apple. So 1 kind of a small size apple. And this apple. I ground 1 minute. And then we got a nice, beautiful puree. Air is like a really spicy air is coming up. And then all this apple vinegar puree. Add this here. Usually apple is oxidized so quickly in the air, the color changed to brown. But this way, I ground this with the vinegar and salt. The color is not changing. And beautiful creamy color. You see? Beautiful. And then honey. 1 tablespoon is enough. Just a half a teaspoon sesame oil. Mix well. Gorgeous. Where to go? To refrigerator. It should be cold. I will use this at the end. This is beef, steak, very tender part. Whenever I make this kind of dish, I always choose really best cut so that we all enjoy kind of a tenderness. Before this, I need to take care of one thing. This is pine nuts. And you can see this tip, there is a tip. And use your fingernail and remove. And one more time. Remove. Even you can see the really small tiny hole. So 1/4 cup pine nuts, I'm going to grind this. I just cover this and with the rolling pin. Okay, I think done. Wrap this. I will sprinkle this at the end. This is ginkgo nuts. Ginkgo nuts, you can find this in Korean grocery store, frozen section. I need only 7 after using. Again, to the freezer. Next, beef. And dry out with a paper towel like this. I like to this kind of size, cut very thinly like this. About 1/8 inch, like a thin paper. £1 is a lot. I just slice this and all the thinly, like spread this like this. And we are going to season this because if we make this like, just a whole in one bowl, not easy to season. So this way is very safe. If you cannot cut thinly, just ask your butcher, so slice very thinly, so that it's going to be cooked so quickly. For £1, 1 teaspoon salt. Ground black pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon. So to make it more delicious, sesame oil, about 1 teaspoon. I'm going to spread all this here. You can season this very evenly. Put some sesame oil and then like massage. Make it shiny, isn't it? We need glutinous rice flour. This one we need to coat both sides. Just press down. So this beef is like a kind of a rice cake kind of texture because we coated with chapsalgaru. And let's heat up. Medium-high heat. You can use any kinds of cooking oil. This is grapeseed oil. It's just a little bit sticky because of glutinous rice flour. Turn off. Wow, smells so delicious smell. And clean, turn on the heat and oil. Yes, we need more oil. Okay, there you go, all cooked. Cool, ginkgo nuts. My sauce all ready now. And then last thing is this pear. But if you don't have a Korean pear, use cucumber, cold cucumber, slice it cut into matchsticks. I'm going to cut into matchsticks. I want something crispy. And I want to kind of show off you. This guy is 깻잎, perilla leaves. I planted inside home, but it's growing. Let's put some like this and this. Let me taste, you can join me. You can put some sauce all together, mix all together and eat. Or just like me, you can eat this way. And this is also. And sauce. Sauce is amazing. Like this. Isn't it pretty? And then no problem with the eating, isn't it? When you make this is a challenge, but you can eat it so quickly. Juicy and nutty and garlicky, spicy, tastes like a rice cake. It goes well with a crispy, sweet, crispy pear. So good. This sauce is you can keep in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Today we made 소고기 찹쌀구이, pan-cooked beef salad. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.